This is the first letter of Urdu alphabet. You have already learnt it. There is a diacritical mark on alif. This sign is called zabar. Zabar. When there is zabar or alif, it sounds as a. In English dictionaries, you will find the sound of this phonetic symbol as this one. Here, this is the phonetic symbol of this sound. This sound is like U in English word shut. So this is a. And when zabar is over some other letters, how they are sound? When zabar is alif dal, when zabar is over dal, it is pronounced as da. When it is over be, it is pronounced as ba. When it is over jeen, it is pronounced as ja. Da, ba, ja. Now, a few words. Alif zabar a, dal zabar da, and be. And be. Adam. When zabar is over alif, it is pronounced as a. When it is over dal, it is pronounced as da. And you are seeing this sign. This sign. It is called jazm. Jazm. When jazm is over a letter, it means no vowel sound is attached to it. So, if no vowel sound is attached to be, it is pronounced as b. So, alif zabar a, dal zabar da, and b, adam. This word is pronounced as adam. If instead of jazm, zabar were also on be, alif zabar a, dal zabar da, be zabar ba, then it would have been pronounced as adaba. But there is jazm. Jazm means absence of a vowel sound. So it is pronounced as b. Adam. If be also had zabar, then it would be pronounced as adaba. But it is not adaba because be has no vowel sound attached to it. So it is adab. Adab means literature and manners. Adab. Another word is daftar. And daftar has 4 letters: dal, fe, te, re. Daftar. There is jazm, there is zabar or dal, so it is da. It is pronounced as da. And there is jazm over fe. So now it is daf. Dal zabar and fe daf. There is zabar on te. Now it is dal, fe, daf. There is a bata, daftar, and there is jazm also over re. Daftar. Dal zabar fe daf, te zabar and re tar. Daftar. If zabar were also on fe and re, then its pronunciation were dafatara. But there is no vowel attached to fe and no vowel attached to re, so it is pronounced as daftar. Dal, fe, daf, te, re, tar. Daftar. We can put the sign of jazm in two ways. This is jazm and this is also jazm. We can use either sign. Either we can use this one or we use this one. No. So why we have not put zabar or jazm here? Because traditionally diacritical marks are not used in writing. You won't find in books, newspapers, or if you start writing, then you yourself will not use these diacritical marks. These are for beginners to learn, and later on these diacritical marks are not used.